Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant, and this is your 5-minute tour update for Bitcoin today, October the 29th, and we are starting now with our daily analysis, so let's go guys. TradingView technical analysis. This is telling us on the daily we should buy Bitcoin, the 4 hours buy, the 2 hours buy, the 1 hour neutral, and a little buy. So let's check what's going on. CoinMarketCap is telling us Bitcoin is going sideways a little bit, 0.07. That's James Bond, or it's going sideways, only 0.07% in the plus in 24 hours. Ethereum is going up really nice, 4.48%. Binance Coin also going up really nice. You can see the Bitcoin dominance is going down, Ethereum dominance is going up, guys. Watch this. This is the Bitcoin dominance, and you can see, yes, we're going down here, and we are really soon on the bottom of this nice uptrend. So guys, in this time, it was better to trade Ethereum and altcoins as Bitcoin. But if we will see here the next move to the upside, it would be the time for Bitcoin. So attention, we have to check what's going on now. So let's move on to the next stuff. Guys, this is the Bitcoin chart picture. This is the 1 hour time frame, and you can see in the 1 hour we are building this next little triangle here. So this is a really interesting fight, guys. Look at this. We are here for the moment under this EMA 200, that's the yellow line, and we are over this ribbon band, that's the green ribbon band here. So between this both things here is a great fight now for Bitcoin. It's going sideways for some time, but now I think we will see soon here the breakout to the upside or to the downside, guys. We have here really nice the support of this line, and you can see this support is holding. That's the Fibonacci support, 0.236 at 60,500. Really big support. On the downside, we have the green line at 59,000. Let me tell it 60,000, the next big support. Guys, if we can break out over this ribbon band, we have a really nice target. 63,000 is the first big target if we can break out from this downtrend channel. Why 63,000? I can show you. This is the bar chart, and in the bar chart you can see the next resistance point, the pivot point, first resistance point is on 62,950. Let me tell it 63,000. There's the big resistance, guys. The video is over soon. 3 minutes only for TikTok and Instagram, but we will continue on YouTube. This is the 5-minute tour update. Let's go. So Bitcoin, guys, on the daily, look at the daily. On the daily, we are fighting between these two lines. This is really important because it's a really important indicator. It's the Ichimoku. And you can see we are under the blue line, over the red line. And these two lines are now the big support and resistance zones also for Bitcoin. On the upside, the blue line is on a price about 62,200. On the downside, the red one is on a price about 56,900, 57,000. So between these two lines, we are now fighting now, and this is the big support. If we can break out again over the Ichimoku, over the blue line, we may see mooning targets soon, guys, but we need to break out. This is really important. So let's go back really quick here to Bitcoin and to this chart picture here on the 1 hour time frame. If we're going out a little bit more, let me check the 4 hours, and here is the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour, we have this stuff, guys. We are for the moment fighting on the 4 hour again with the ribbon band, and you can see we are on the downside of the ribbon band. Over this red line, yes, this is a big support, but fighting with the ribbon band. The EMA 200 line, guys, is here on the downside, so it's not so necessary, but look at this. 56,700, 57,000. Okay, remember 57,000 is a big support on the downside. It's also here the Fibonacci at 56,500. So on the downside, 57,000, a lot of support, but for the moment we are holding nice here on this point, and this is now the big question. Can we break out the triangle here to the upside, or will we break down from here? Next support, and so on, guys. You know the next support, big support, is the middle line also. This is for the moment holding. The green line is for the moment holding 60,000, so a lot of support to the downside, a lot of resistance to the upside, and this is the big fight now, guys. So guys, let's check on the 1 day. Let me check the 1 day again, last but not least, before we end this video. This thing here, we are here on the RSI on the downside, and you can see we are on 56 points, 57 points. We are not overbought, we are not oversold. Do we have a support to the downside? Let me check this one, a line from here over here. A lot of space to the downside, so everything is possible. Let me check as a last thing, guys, the indicator, the MACD. What is telling us the MACD on the daily? And you can see the MACD is still bearish. Blue line under the brown line, we're piling more and more red candles here to the downside. This is bearish. Really quick on the 4 hour time frame, and this one is a bullish one. So short time frame, guys, we are bullish. Long time frame, we are bearish. Short time frame, the blue line is over the brown line, but this green candles here are not growing anymore. They're going down here. We have to watch this also. It's not easy to predict the future, as every time, guys, I can't predict the future. But if you're watching this on the 4 hour, you can see we are now fighting on the downside of the ribbon band with a long spike to the upside. This is not good. This long spike to the downside was a really bullish wick. After this, we saw a long wick to the upside. So a stop loss hunt, in my opinion, to the upside, a stop loss hunt to the downside. It's a really hard time for the moment to trade Bitcoin, and we have to check what's going on. It's not a clear position for me for the moment to go in or to go out. We have to wait a little bit. Guys, thanks for watching. 5 minutes are over. Thanks for this. And guys, thanks for every comment, for every thumbs up. Make it good. Have a nice time. And very important, I'm not a financial advisor, not a financial advice. Bye, guys.
System activated.